So again, let's go back to the Bower page here, and let's copy this command npm install -g Bower. Copy it. I'll jump back to the command line. I'll paste it in, and I'll hit enter. All right, we'll get a bunch of text, and you might want to scroll up to get a sense of what all of the output was when you installed it, just to see if there's any issues. We got some warnings, but nothing serious. So at this point, we should be able to move forward with using Bower. If you go back to the Bower screen, you can see that there's instructions, just right after the installation instructions, on how to install packages. Now, a package is just a bundle of code and any dependencies that that code requires. In the case of Normalize.css, it's just going to be the CSS file. Now, if we go back to the Normalize page, I'm going to do a search for Normalize.css again, and I'll click on the GitHub page here. It gives us some instructions on how to install Normalize using npm directly. There's a line here for installing it with a package manager called Component, which we're not going to cover, but which is an alternative that works a bit differently than Bower or npm. And then finally we have our Bower line here. So let's copy this, and we'll jump back to our command line, and we'll need to navigate the command line to our project location. The easiest way to do this is to type cd for change directory, and then go back to Finder where your project is. At the bottom, you have a folder here, and you can just drag this over to the terminal window to paste in the location of it so you don't have to type it in manually. And hit enter, and let's grab that command one more time, and we'll jump back to the command line, paste it in, and hit enter. It may ask you to anonymously report usage statistics. You decide what you want to do here. Okay, and if you get a bunch of green text, no red text, then chances are things install just fine.